morning you wake up a unicorn. What does it eat for breakfast? Does it work out? Do you want to know how a fantastical creature spends its day? Then watch our new video on the daily routine of a unicorn. What a wonderful fall morning! The sun is already shining, but the unicorn doesn't want to wake up. She definitely adores sweet food and sweet dreams. Granny tries to wake the fluffy rainbow animal up, but the unicorn wants to finish her morning dream. You can't play a trick on Granny that easily. She doesn't give up so quickly. Wise Granny knows for sure how to get her fantastical pet out of bed. A wonder spray with rose water is the best natural aromatic alarm. Cover a few rosebuds with hot water. Let them sit for 3 hours. Add colorful glitter and mix it. Pour the rose-infused water without the buds into a spray bottle. Print out a rainbow label and attach it. Add stars. Granny has barely sprayed the room with rose water when the magical pet wakes up after sensing the divine fragrance. The unicorn really loves the glittering rose water. Just a little more rose water and the room smells like a rainbow rose garden. The unicorn is stretching and smiling. It's time to turn a night blanket into a day quilt. We will need a white blanket and black felt. Draw a closed eye with lashes on the felt with tailor's chalk. Cut out 2 pieces. Make a center of an ear out of a yellow foam rubber sheet. Cut the same piece out of white felt, but it should be slightly bigger. This is a base for an ear. Add a few bright foam rubber sheet flowers and colorful felt hearts. Make 2 pieces for a horn out of white felt. Fasten and bend the flower petals to make them 3D. Hot glue a heart to the center. Attach eyes to the blanket. Leave the lashes free. Fasten flowers and ears on top. Add rainbow hearts around the edges. Fasten a horn. A gray star blanket turns into a Snow White unicorn portrait in the blink of an eye. Flowers and hearts are exactly what she loves. Now it's crystal clear that this is the unicorn's bed. And for the unicorn's feet to stay soft and warm, she will put on her gold-horned Uggs. Hot glue a sponge gold horn to white slippers that look like standard Uggs. Cut ears out of white and pink felt. Fasten them together. Cut them slightly in the middle. Hot glue overlapping to make them 3D. Attach the ears near the horn. Decorate the Uggs with artificial roses. Attach felt hearts and closed eyes from a black foam rubber sheet. Now the unicorn has a friend with a horn on each leg. They will keep the rainbow creature warm, and the unicorn won't worry about the cold fall days. A workout is on the agenda. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, that won't do. The fitness unicorn needs a headband. Cut pink terry cloth into 2 strips. Fasten them with hot glue. Fold and hot glue it again. Connect the ends with 2 pieces of elastic. Cut ears from white and pink felt. Attach them to the headband and attach a glittering pink horn on top. Decorate the headband with artificial roses. This is way better, but you need to build up your arm muscles. The unicorn needs dumbbells, but not regular dumbbells. She wants rainbow ones. Cut an empty cardboard tube in half. Wrap it with glittering paper. Hot glue fluffy cotton to the sides. Attach satin ribbon to the cotton. A Cloud presented these dumbbells to Unicorn. They were made from a piece of sky and a snow-white cloud, and decorated with a rainbow. You will definitely get a boost of energy for the entire day with these dumbbells. And Granny will make workout equipment from what she has on hand: knitting needles and yarn. Build up your good mood. Well, what did Granny cook for me? What is she conjuring over there? Oh, how beautiful! A rainbow croissant? Come on, let me taste it. Put a croissant in the middle. Be sure not to cut it through. Put in M&Ms instead of chocolate filling. We will need pink, white, and mint green confectionery glaze. Melt white glaze with yellow food coloring. Put it into a Ziploc bag. Cut off a corner and squeeze the glaze onto the croissant. Cover it with mint and pink glaze the same way. Smooth out the layer with a spoon. Add a lot of sprinkles and food glitter on top. Granny is adding the last glittering touches to her culinary masterpiece. The Unicorn is excited to taste this sweet wonder. At last, Granny is satisfied with the result. Now you can eat it! The Unicorn breaks the croissant in half, and there is a surprise inside. The rainbow croissant turns out to be even brighter on the inside. She can't eat this yummy thing alone, so she shares it with Granny. The Unicorn starts nodding off. Of course, because it's time for an afternoon nap. You can set your watch by unicorns. Granny has a soft pillow on hand just for a case like this, for the Unicorn to sleep tight. Draw an oval on memory foam. This is a unicorn face. Cut bangs from colorful felt. Add pink and white ears and a silver sponge horn. Attach the bangs and make a muzzle using fabric paints. Hot glue the ears and the horn. The Unicorn has very sweet dreams on this cute pillow. Sleep tight! This sleepyhead is still sleeping. It's high time to wake up. Granny knows how to wake the Unicorn from heavy sleep. She has a special soft, squishy alarm clock. Trace an alarm clock in the center of a big piece of memory foam. Round the edges. Cut out a hole for the alarm clock and cut off the excess. Color the memory foam with fabric paints. Cut pink textured foam rubber sheets of different shades into strips and cover the sides of the squishy alarm clock with them. Decorate the squishy with embellishments made from pink and purple light clay. Insert an actual alarm clock inside. Attach the squishy to clay legs and add a clay ring. The Unicorn wakes up when she hears a sharp ring. What a horrible sound! How can I turn it off? The Unicorn shakes the alarm clock, hits it on the sofa, but nothing works. This alarm clock is broken. It doesn't turn off. I woke up a long time ago, but it's still ringing. But Granny comes to the rescue. It's easy. As far as it's a squishy, you have to squeeze it, and the alarm clock calms down right away. Granny is in a creative mood. She arranged a soap factory in the kitchen. She wants to make soap of her own design. She doesn't like the store-bought version. It's way too ordinary. She conjures over a bowl and experiments with different ingredients. And the Unicorn comes to the kitchen to have a snack as usual. Hey, you should wash your hands first. Here, take a star. Melt clear soap base in a microwave. Add food coloring. Put in edible glitter. Pour it into a silicone mold and let it harden. Make soap of different shapes and colors. It smells so nice! The Unicorn is trying to eat the yummy smelling star as she usually does. But Granny gives her a bowl with water. Try my soap. Washing hands with bright soap turns into a rainbow soap bubble celebration. Everyone is happy, both the Unicorn and Granny. Granny is having her 5 o'clock tea. She is going to have some quiet time as she wants to be alone with her thoughts. But the unicorn is already here. This little pet can't sit still, and she doesn't let Granny get bored. Once the old lady stops paying attention to her, she will have to pull off a trick. The fantastical pet has an interesting toy. It's Rainbow Twister. Draw a grid on white cardboard with a pencil. Put dots with a marker where the lines intersect and erase the pencil traces. Cut circles out of colored foam rubber sheets with a scrapbooking hole puncher. Arrange them into lines according to their colors and glue them to the dots. Cut the edges of the cardboard with scrapbooking scissors. Draw diagonals and a circle on a square piece of cardboard. Attach the colored circles around. Glue the cardboard to a round cap. Make a hole in the center with an awl. Insert a plastic stick. Cut it to fit the size. Twist a piece of wire to make a base for a pointer. Attach a black foam rubber sheet pointer on top. Add names of fingers. Fasten the pointer using flat pliers. Decorate the game field with felt rainbows. The unicorn starts playing her finger twister. How can you just sit still near this? Of course, Granny got interested in the game. And here you go, they both place their fingers onto the colored circles and try to win. Cute unicorns also need to doll up. Brush their hair, adjust their ears, touch up their horn, except that a rainbow animal has to have rainbow makeup. All of this regular makeup won't do. Here you go! This is way better! The unicorn has a whole set of pink brushes. But where should she put them? There is definitely something missing on her vanity table. Granny is an experienced fashionista. She certainly knows what you need for nice makeup. A handy brush holder. Wrap gold paper to make a cone. Fasten it with glue. Press it slightly to make the horn flat. And hot glue it to a plastic cup. Cut rainbow knitting yarn and tie the pieces in the middle. Attach them under the horn. This is a hairdo. Decorate it with artificial flowers. Attach a rhinestone in the middle. Draw eyes and a nose. Make round cheeks from a pink foam rubber sheet and attach them. So cute! Well, Granny, you made my day! A unicorn cup is exactly what a fantastical critter needs to store some rainbow brushes. Now the vanity table is complete. No, something is still missing. Oh, colorful balls make it picture perfect. Did you like our everyday unicorn DIYs? Then write in the comments what stories from the life of fantastical animals you would like to see. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new unbelievable stories on Troom Troom.